Hello and welcome to Ink's monthly product update. Do you want to create high-quality content faster and easier than ever? Then keep watching, because we have exciting feature updates to share with you today that will make your Ink experience even more incredible. Let's get to it. New feature alert, brand new recipes. You asked and we answered. You wanted more great recipes? We recently sent a product feature survey to our Ink users, asking you to pick 3 recipes that you want added to the Ink editor. We have added 3 new recipes to the Ink editor recipes sidebar based on those survey results. These were your faves, and now you can find them in the sidebar and begin creating. For those of you new to the recipe game, recipes are a great way to create content quickly for a specific use case. Whether you have content needs for blog posts or socials, and everything in between, we have the recipe for you. Now, for more on the newest recipes we added. First up, new recipe number 1, Content Summary Generator. This super useful recipe generates a summary about a particular topic. You simply enter a keyword and some context, hit generate, and you have an amazing summary for your content needs. Next up, new recipe number 2, Landing Page Copy Generator. Does your landing page copy need a refresh? We've got you covered. Just use our landing copy generator recipe for content output that you will be proud to put on your site. Finally, new recipe number 3, TikTok Script Generator. TikTok is overwhelmingly popular. Up your TikTok game with our TikTok Script Generator recipe. Generate fun, fresh scripts that will draw in users, encourage engagement, and make your TikTok grow. We hope these new recipe updates make your experience creating content in Ink better than ever. Thank you for using Ink and for your continued feedback. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We love hearing from our InkSun family. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next month's amazing updates.